organ is down here. Okay, this is the inside opening of the organ, or the lumen. And so this is the innermost part here. This is where you find the epithelial layer here. And so the uterus has three main layers. It's the endometrium, the myometrium, and the parametrium. And so on your slide, you're going to find the myometrium and the endometrium. So this is all the endometrium. Okay, this is all the endometrium you're seeing here. These are uterine glands. They produce mucus. Uterine glands or endometrial glands is the same term. And that's all within the underlying, this is all within the lamina propria. This is the epithelial lining. It's a simple columnar. It's not very visible on this particular slide. Okay, so this is all the endometrium with lots of the glands. Pretty thick. And then look for the change in the tissue. See about halfway up the screen there? Changes here. Okay, so here up is which myometrium, yeah. So this is the myometrium. What kind of, the myo means muscle. What kind of tissue is that? Smooth muscle. Yep. So during childbirth, that's the strong muscle that's doing those contractions. People say they have contractions, and that's what they're talking about. The uterus, the myometrium layer of the uterus is contracting. So this is a very strong, smooth muscle. Okay, uterine glands, and there's the epithelial layer. And so we have one more uterus slide. I'll put that one up as well. In case you looked at that one, it does look a little different. So the uterus goes through phases, cyclical phases monthly, and so in this one, this is the uterus in the menstruating phase. And so if we go back up here, it kind of looks like, you know, half of the slide fell off or something, right? It sort of just looks like, oh, what happened? Where did the rest go? Where's the epithelium? Well, that's what happens in menstruation. The endometrial layer, almost all of it actually sloughs off, and that's where you get all of the bleeding. The blood vessels break. These glands are disintegrate and fall apart and are sloughed off with the bleeding. And so here, the endometrium, parts of it are missing. Here's the uterine gland still. It's much thinner. Okay, remember how thick the other one was I showed you? This is a thinner, shorter amount of endometrium. And it's actually turned the other way. Okay, the other way, this is the lumen up here. This slide just happens to be the other upside down. Okay, so then you can see the division there. What's this main layer here?
Myometrium.
Yeah, myometrium. And it does have a parametrium. This organ does, but it wasn't on your lab list, and I don't see it there. Okay, so myometrium, smooth muscle. All right, any questions about those? Okay, we'll study hard, and I'll see you Monday for our review in lab and female reproductive in lecture. I'll post the PowerPoint. Students, you